Hi guys, Trey received this portable travel steamer for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. It comes in this nice box and it comes really well protected with some bubble wrap, as you can see. And this is a main unit. I think it has a really beautiful color, which I find quite nice, and it comes attached with a power cord, which is excellent. In this space, we have the water tank that we can fill to use the proper steamer. It also comes included with this tray that we can use while we are waiting for the steamer to preheat, which I think it's really nice. To fill the steamer, we just take the water tank and we're gonna open this little tap right here so we can place the water inside of it. And pour it with this little cup that also comes included. And once that we have already filled it up, we're gonna place it back in, and as you can see, it doesn't have any leakage, which is really nice. We have this re-wrinkled shirt that we're gonna test the steamer with, as you can see. Now we're just gonna plug it in and wait for it to preheat. And once it's ready, we're just gonna press the button to slide the levels of steam. As you can see right there, it's getting the steam out, and we're gonna use it with our shirt, okay? And as you can see, it's really easy to use. You can just hit things stand up, and it's really quick to steam the wrinkles out, which I think it's a really great function. It's really nice. You don't take that long to use it and get your shirt ready, which is an excellent function. And once we're done, we're just gonna turn it off. As you can see, it stops getting the steam out, and we can place it on the tray. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.